Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2026 INFINITI QX80 Sport. The Sport replaces the sensory trim level, gives a distinctive front grille, a lower lip, different wheels, and a dusk blue interior. Well, mechanically, nothing has changed underneath. Obviously, still have the 3.5 liter twin turbo V6, 450 horse, 516 pound-feet of torque. Klipsch 20 speaker sound system. Dark chrome trim throughout. QX80S badging. Dynamic metal over the stickers are always going to say graphite. It's dusk blue. 104,835 as tested, with the only option being premium paint. They did add blue around that and the INFINITI embossed down low. Heads-up display, of course. Okay. Wireless charging. Let's go for a drive. Nine-speed torque converter automatic. Plenty of torque, plenty of power. At first I was gonna miss the V8, not much anymore. 6-cylinder is more than capable. Standard air suspension, Lux trim level and above, so obviously this has it. Pure does not have the air suspension. Infotainment system is all Google based now, which is pretty cool because SiriusXM acts as an app, so you get all the app exclusive channels in the car, which is pretty darn cool. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.